This is from Jennifer.
This is a long string.
Go ahead, flip it over. Careful, it might be fragile. He's got tape. We might need help.
Where? I don't have to. I got it.
Okay. Keep going. What's in there? Oh, that's cool.
What is it?
I'm not sure. Is it a lunchbox?
It's a Star Wars lunchbox.
It's a lunchbox.
Yeah.
Now I have my own lunchbox.
That's really cool.
I knew I wanted a lunchbox.
Can I see it? Is there anything else in there? Or is that?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a book.
Oh, what is that? Jason, let me see your lunchbox, baby. I want to see it. Come here.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you can take your lunch to school. Say thank you, Jennifer.
Thank you, Jennifer.